Now we're turning right. Check your center mirror, the right mirror, signal to the right, start positioning, put your foot on the foot brake and start looking your right and keep rolling. Anyone coming towards us? Anyone coming from the right?
No.
So go past the center line.
Yeah.
And now push and pull technique. Fast steering but slow speed. Keep looking up, fast steering back. Check all the mirrors and gradually build up speed. You did very well there, well done. And that's how we do the right turning. Always MSPSL, look inside the road as well.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be doing the right turning again.
Yeah.
Would you like me to talk you through again, or you think you can do MSPSL by yourself?
I'll try.
Now what I want you to do, let's do self-commentary.
Yeah.
Let's talk to yourself what you're gonna do. So we're turning next right, please. What's the first thing you're gonna tell yourself?
So you check your mirrors.
Yes.
And then you head toward that side of the road.
No. Signal.
Sorry.
And now position. Yeah. So speed. Say speed. Slow down. And looking where? Look inside the road and ahead. Anyone coming? Keep going. Anybody else coming?
No.
No. So let's focus on the turning. Okay. And what you gonna do before speeder?
Observe,
Check.
Fine.
Well done. Okay, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna be doing the right turning again. Let's see, do this by yourself.
Yeah.
And how you doing it. So let's do this. So I would like you to take the next road to your right, please. Well done. That is a perfect execution. Well done, Dylan.